welcome back to my channel today. Phyna don come out come reply double wahala housemate wey dey call Deeone wey call her out, and they don drag their family into their fight online. So few hours ago, Deeone come out come call out Phyna for over the statement wey say she make for her podcast, and Phyna don come out come reply am because according to her, she no go tolerate that kind of statement from a nobody. So her colleague wey be say dem dey call Chizzy come out come follow fight the fight for her. As we all know, Chizzy na Phyna padi, and im dey always come out come defend her. I no know why Sakes and Christy O dey no come out today, because na the three of dem na be Phyna army, lapdog, I no know wetin I wan call her. So im come out, na Chizzy first come out come carry the matter for head, come say, "Deeone, my brother, how are you? I swear that Phyna matter where you put your mouth no concern you at all. You are a guy, for goodness sake. Learn how to mind your business." If they talk of minding business, both you Chizzy o, both Deeone o, both Phyna, all of una no sabi mind una business. So no act as if one person dey wrong and the other one dey right. Even though I no support Deeone for a talk, all of una na the same thing. So Phyna come say, "My brother, I see am o, but I confuse. Men and women I have fought and rumbled, but a gay man? Huh?" She come still continue, come say, "What a country." In the comment section, if you know, even in your present condition, or you have more than 5 million naira in your account, you won't accept the disrespect of a man pricing you 5 million naira. Just like that. Let me see your hands up. Well, Phyna get a point here, because if you be person wey be say dey earn above the amount wey be say dey price you, I'm not sure say you go wan collect am. You can't say yourself that cheap. So as she make that statement, the one not take am lightly with her for coming out to come call am gay. Im come out come respond to her. According to the response, im say na Phyna papa na him dey do the gay matter with. Say yes, he accept say na gay. So na Phyna papa. Make una lis ten to wetin im talk.
So I just saw a tweet where Phyna, leaked my sexuality and said I'm gay, and I mean, I didn't want it to come out before. And I think she said that because of the video that, I told you that I believed you, but you still decided to do this to me. Now, I don't condemn gay people. Anything you do is fine. I'm not going to be the judge of that, I don't, but the only reason why Phyna is privileged to this information is because, and I didn't want it to come out like this, is because I had something to do with her dad, and she was there, she was, I invited her as the hype woman, so she did. So, as I was giving him, because, of course, he didn't train her well, so I was, trying to teach him a lesson and all that. So,
Una don hear am na. I go just drop the comments for here, make una just read through. So, when he come make that statement, Phyna come back again, come reply am again, because she just say she no go gree make this guy come talk nonsense about her family, and she go just let am go like that. So she come out come say, "But regardless, because I no know the born by mistake the one Twitter handle, make una know am, make who know am tag am. The one tell that your sister to dey call better money. Na so that day I see where she dey cry for road, say the boy use her finish, come give am 10,000 naira. Chai, na wow. And your mama sef be dey share her kpekus very cheap, and na there she take carry wey kpai am throway like chicken. Una family, everybody just dey shime with rushing things. Na wow. And with this, I rest my case. Make your madness and ranting officially start. I'm done with you, sissy." This one na trouble dey sleep, yanga go wake am. Maybe this one so. The one don chase clout, meet him fellow clout chaser, wey even chase pass am sef. So imagine when two people wey dey chase clout jam. No be kasala be that. To me, this conversation between Phyna and, I don't know what I call am, conversation banter between Phyna and Deeone, the thing dey very shameful and e dey sick. For once, this Phyna podcast e no cause any cause for alarm. Everything wey be say the girl talk for this particular podcast. It's like she go check herself, come back, come talk something meaningful. She no talk anything, she no call anybody name for the podcast. She talk about her own experience. Why people dey bash her for saying wetin she don experience. The one wey she overdo am, una know say I go call am out. But for this one, I no see anything wey dey wrong for wetin she talk o. As comedy no allow the one no fit make am for comedy, and clout chasing na be the next hustle wey be say im dey do now. Hopefully im go make am for this side. Una take care, una bye.